Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to clean your cartridges using on a HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 3835. This is the machine model number. You can see. So what you do, you go on the screen. When you're on the screen, what you do, you're gonna scroll to the to the left, then touch settings, then go to tools. When you click on tools, you see cartridge cleaning. Okay, it will start cleaning the cartridges. It might take a while, but it's not proceeding. So it's gonna take out the page. It's taking out some page. Great, it's done. And you will analyze this page. If you're happy, then you know that that is the proper way to do things right. It asks you that checking print quality of the printed page. If the print quality is unsatisfactory, try using the second level cleaning. Say yes. If you're not happy with the page, then you say yes. Go to second level print cleaning. Well, this is fine. I just wanted you to do that. So after that, you say complete, say okay. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.